Assalamualaikum and good day. In this video, I will be explaining about thermal stress. A temperature change results in a change in length or thermal strain. There is no stress associated with the thermal strain unless the elongation is restrained by the support. The equation is given by thermal strain is equal to alpha times with delta T, where alpha is linear coefficient of thermal expansion and delta T means change in temperature. A change in temperature of a material will cause it to change its length. The amount of expansion due to change in temperature is called thermal expansion. This deformation due to temperature change is given by the equation deformation due to thermal or difference in temperature equal to thermal strain times with length equal to alpha delta T times L, where alpha is linear coefficient of thermal expansion, delta T is change in temperature, and length is the length of material. We take the positive value as expansion of the material and negative value is the contraction of the material. In structural system, this expansion due to temperature change will produce stress in a material if the body is also constrained from moving. To understand on this structure, think of the expansion and stress application as occurring in two successive steps. The first step, allow the body to expand unconstrained due to the thermal expansion. Then the material or the structure will be expanded. After that, on the expanded material, apply a force to the body to bring it back to the constrained length. When we let a structure to expand due to thermal change, the structure will expand. After the material expands, we apply force to make the structure become to its original length. The force that given to the structure to make it go to its original length will produce stress in the material or in the structure. That is how thermal stress produced in the structure. These two steps also explained by this diagram where the structure is constrained so that when the temperature change occur, the structure cannot expand so that it will produce stress in the structure. Notice that the deformation change to the thermal elongation here must be equal to the deformation caused by the force to return it to the original size over here. So the deformation occurs by the temperature change is equal to deformation produced by force given to make it to return to its original state. The thermal deformation or delta T and the deformation from redundant support delta P must be compatible so that delta equal to delta T plus delta P equal to 0. As we learned before, delta T is equal to alpha delta temperature times with length and delta P is PL over AE. After we rearrange this equation, we will get stress is equal to P over A is also equal to negative E alpha delta T. That's all on the theory about thermal stress. I hope you all can understand. Thank you.